Hey everybody. Okay, so today in the mail, I got my latest 22-inch Eagle. This is my second special edition version. It comes with a mini print from Brian Johnson and with a huge poster of the box art. So this makes let's just say more than one Eagle that I have. Want to make a regular one, want to make a cargo one, a VIP one, and a laboratory one. Well, so far, the only thing I've had the courage to do, because I don't want to mess these up, but I've been working on a couple of the pods with special interiors, and as you can see here, started painting the backdrop of one, and I want to sort of do this one at a time, because in case I mess up I don't do the same mistake twice. Like this one, I'm just gonna build it as is. Another version, I'm gonna actually use those photo etch things, so I would have to, instead of paint this, I'd have to rub this off, file it off so I can put the photo etch there. But this one's gonna be my first one I do, so I'm just gonna do it standard, just to do it once. Here's my pod that I haven't glued together yet, but I primed on the inside and the outside, and started the spine, which I found out is fairly easy to do. Just have to get around to doing it. Been working on a couple other projects. I guess just to get used to the airbrush, which I have. It's a really cool tool, and as you can see here, worked on my Cylon base star. This is one of the older ones from '79, and I painted this steel, Vallejo steel color, and it looks really nice, just a little too shiny, so I think I'm going to put some standard gray on it, and I primed it black, so there's some areas that look a little darker than others, but I'm going to end up putting like a little bit darker gray. This is way too shiny. I mean, I love this. This looks nice, but kind of want to make it look like what the show looked like. So, but yeah, getting used to your airbrush is a very important step, so that you're not constantly having a fight with your airbrush. You know, if that part gets through, then less stress, and you know, have more fun putting stuff together. So moving over here, almost done with my Viper finally. I just got to get the painting done on the cockpit and the pilot as well, but this came out fairly decent. This is my first major completion. You know, the Cylon base star is very simple, big kit, which I just loved. It is very simple, so it wasn't too much of a challenge, but it was a good exercise, and it's going to look great when I finish it. So, alright guys, till next time. I guess this was my kind of update.